Yeah, good day, guys. This is your boy Chibuzo Agowa, and welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to delete emails on Gmail at once. Yes, you'll be achieving this in just few seconds by just carrying out just one click, and it will save you the stress of selecting each email of yours just by one and trying to delete them. You'll notice that it contains 50 per pages, and for example, if you have lots of emails just like myself, as you can see, I have 3,511 emails. It will take you some time before you delete each page of 50, and it's time consuming. So I'll be showing you how you can do that just with one few steps in few seconds. And also I'll be giving out a warning which most videos on YouTube doesn't talk about. I'll be telling you about the warning and what you should do and what you shouldn't do while trying to delete your emails from a Gmail account at once. So having noted that, now let's get down to business.
You are welcome to Blog Infotech YouTube channel.
So welcome back from the short break. So now, like I said from the start, Chibuzo Agowa is my name and Blog Infotech is the name of this channel. So let me give a brief introduction of what we do here in this channel. Blog Infotech is the name of the channel and it's a technology related channel. And in this channel, we cover topics, and it's actually a tutorial and a how-to channel. And we cover topics ranging from how to make money, affiliate marketing, cryptocurrencies, web apps, mobile phones, PCs, and anything related to technology. I teach you how to do things which you can't really do normally. So if you want to be part of this channel, I will indulge you to hit the subscribe button and automatically you become family. And the subscribe button is just a red rectangular button that has the inscription subscribe just below this video that you're watching, so you can hit it and also turn on the bell notification so that again it's whenever I release important videos just like this. So once you've done that, now let's get straight down to business, showing you how to delete all emails on your Gmail account. So from the beginning I talked about the warning, so now let me start with that warning. You know, in most videos you find on YouTube, they talk about if you want to delete all emails, for example, you have to scroll, navigate, as you can see in this left navigation area. You have to select all mail. So once you select all mail, just like I did, I just clicked on all mail. It automatically means every damn mail in your Gmail account, ranging from the ones in your various in your inbox, in your primary inbox, in your social accounts, whatsoever, even in your trash. So it means that once you delete these emails, automatically you've emptied every email in your Gmail account. But I am sure that you want to keep some important emails, for example, necessarily ones in your inbox, in your primary accounts. They are quite important for you to still keep them in this primary section. You can delete anyone that you don't want to have in your primary inbox one by one. But if you choose this option, just like I said, which most videos will talk about, all automatically you are deleting everything in your Gmail account. But that's not what we want to do. For example, we have your section, we have primary, we have promotions and social. You can choose each section you want to delete. If you choose primary, you have to, even after selecting all, you have to unselect the ones that you want to leave behind. So for instance, in this video, let me show you how to delete every damn email in my social. That's my social email. So I'm selecting social, as you can see. If I want to delete that of promotion, I have to select promotion. If I want to delete my primary email, if you don't find it necessary, you can also delete it. And if you want to delete all at once, you can easily choose this option by navigating to the all folder from your left bar. As you can see, all. That's what most YouTube video talks about. So in this case, I'll be deleting the social. So now I've selected my social inbox, which means I'm automatically deleting every email here. So the first step you have to do, as you can see from this select portion, you can just yes, click this down arrow and click on all. So automatically you shouldn't go ahead and hit the delete button, because if you still choose this option, it means you are still deleting the first 50 that appears on this page. So that's not what we want to do. We want to delete all from my social inbox all at once. So after selecting all, you see something here. You see all 50 conversations in this page was selected. So you can see another option that says select all 167 conversations in social. As you can see, I have a total of 167 email in my social inbox. So you now select this, which means automatically I have selected all conversational emails in my social inbox. So now, having done that, yes, you can now go ahead and hit the delete icon It will now pop up a question: confirm bulk action. This action will affect all 167 conversation in inbox. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. I'll click on OK, and automatically it will take few seconds. It's deleting, and yes, they are all gone. They are all gone. As you can see, my social tab is now empty, which means I don't have any email in my social inbox. So if I want to do so with that of promotion, I can still go ahead. But like I said, primary email is always important. So don't go ahead and select all email, and at the end you find that you've deleted all emails in your primary inbox. So with that, you see, I've shown you how to actually delete all emails from your Gmail account. So you can still go ahead and do the same thing with your trash folder, but the steps is quite different because it shows delete forever, unlike having the delete icon. So you can do that on your own free time. Follow the same step. Once you select all, also make sure you click the portion of the text that said select all images in a particular folder, be it promotions or social. So once you do that, yes, you've deleted all emails on your Gmail account. Always remember to follow the steps. And like I said from the beginning, Chibuzo Agua is my name. I'm Blogging for Tech is the name of the channel. We've come to the end of this video. So if you yet to hit the subscribe button, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up if you find it informative enough. And also remember to always turn the bell notification that you get notified when I release important videos just like this. So having done that, smile and speed for the next video. So we've come to the end. Bye bye for now.